Hey, what's up? Right in front of me is my helix antenna. It's the 13 turn helical antenna that I use for my goggles. I reprinted it because the previous one that I printed, it doesn't look gorgeous. You can see a lot of lines, the layers, and I use my ANET A8 printer. It's the ghetto printer that I always call. So today I reprinted it, but I printed it in this manner, yeah, like this, instead of upright. Okay? So everyone knows who's been printing using 3D printers, we know that the weakest point is the layers, right? So since I printed it this way, the chances of it breaking, like snapping, would be slim. Also, the previous one that I use for the antenna, it's PETG, and you can obviously see all the layers. Okay, let me pause it so I can show you. 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it. You can see all the crappy vibration produced by the ANET A8 printer, right? But you know what? It still does a decent job of printing it. This one is weak for sure. Why? It's because I printed it upright. Yeah, like this. Okay, again, this is PETG and a little flexible than PLA. And the reason why I'm reprinting it, because I'm reprinting it now, the reason why I'm printing it is because, I like something that looks smoother. Yeah, this one is ABS filament. And the way I printed it is this way. Okay? Sideways instead of upright. However, one side I didn't like the other side. See, it's not smooth because you have to put support in order to be able to print hanging areas like this one. And this one I did not proceed with removing the support. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Okay, if I printed it upright, then there won't be any how do you call this? I mean, there will still be support to make or to add support for the holes. But quite honestly, you don't need support for the holes. I should have saved about 35 grams, no, maybe 15 grams of filament if I didn't add support. I think I'll be able to save more filament. Yeah, because look, this is what I'm talking about. If I remove the support, I think that part there, yeah, that part will be printing as a bridge. I think it's gonna work. You know what I should do next time? I'm gonna make a small model like this, and then something like this part below, and then make a roof something like this, just to be able to see how it will be able to print the roof without any support. That way I'll be able to save a lot of filament. Like, look how much filament I spent on this one. It's a lot. So it's a total of 35 grams for this, where 15 grams is for the model alone. So that means 20 grams was used on the support alone. Anyways, going back to the purpose of this video, I mentioned earlier that I printed it this way. I actually did a video earlier, but it got cut since I ran out of space, so I had to delete a lot of files from my cell phone. So we're gonna do it again, although you can already see marks here. Right? Yeah, that part, the white, because I tried to bend it and it didn't snap. Again, this is an ABS filament. So I was doing it this way. It's strong. If I do it on the support side right there, it will be better. It's gonna be impossible to. Yeah, it's hard. But if I do it on the upright, yeah, this will snap easily. Trust me. Yeah, this one, it's gonna snap easily. So that's why I tried reprinting it to make sure it's stronger. So I'm not worried about breaking this because I already reprinted one. This is the final one because, like what I said, I don't like the one of the sides here. Yeah, this side, the roof, it's rough, but the top part, this is really nice. It's really smooth. So let's try. I'm gonna give my best. See, oh, there you go. I use my strength a lot, so. And then let's try one more. Oh, it's so hard. Look at my fingers, it's already white. I can't, yeah. It's so hard. So maybe to make it even stronger, but I won't print it anymore because I've already printed one really nice here, right? But to make it even stronger, I should have added another one like this right here at the area where I broke. Yeah, and maybe instead of 10 millimeters wide, maybe bring it down to like 7 millimeters and then make it multiple. That way you spread the weight and it's the same. It's just snapping the end, yeah. Yeah, this is thin. It's about 2.5 millimeters. That's why it broke. It's obvious it's gonna break. But this part, because that part was actually longer, right? This one I could not. It's so freaking hard. Look at my fingers, the blood. Yeah, it's so hard, guys. I'm gonna hurt myself. Anyways, guys, I'm really happy with this antenna that I built. It's my regular antenna now. I don't remove it anymore. It's always like this. Yeah, it's always like that. Okay. Yeah, I'm just kind of worried that, let's say if I drop it, it can snap because of the layer. It's not as good as printed by bamboo. Alrighty, guys, that's all I wanted to share. Testing ABS filament later.